So friends, uh, I was working on a React Native Expo project, and while building a development build, I was facing this error constantly. Okay, after trying a lot of things, after trying a lot of things, I finally decided to downgrade my React Native async storage version. Okay, so the problem was that in my log, in my package.json, I was having the latest version available, that was 2.2. Okay, but I simply pasted all these error from Expo and Expo into the cloud. Okay, here you can see that I was using this current latest version of React Native async storage, that is 2.2.0. But the problem is that I later find out that the problem was that this version is not compatible with the latest Expo version, that is Expo 54. Okay, so that's why finally I was compelled to downgrade my React Native async storage version to the version which is currently required, that is 1.24.0. Okay, so finally I ran this command and this solved my problem. Okay, you can see here that my build is completed and QR code is generated to download the development build. So this is how I solved this problem. I spent a lot of time doing this and this, but none of the none of them worked. The only thing which worked was uh, downgrading the React Native async storage version. Thanks.